As you know, safety plays an important role in your everyday work and allows you to protect your workers from unnecessary injury. To achieve a safe work environment, all team members must work together. If one member doesn't follow the safety procedures, the results can be disastrous. According to the U.S. Department of Labor, 75 to 100 roofers lose their life annually because of an accident on the roof, and 75% of these deaths are the result of a fall. The most common places for falls are the edge of the building, holes in the roof, and off of ladders. So how can we avoid these falls and other types of injuries? Let's take a look and find out.
Proper safety procedures on any residential roofing job can be broken down into 7 essential steps and are as follows. Number 1, start with a game plan. Perform a pre-project safety check and inspect the entire worksite area. Note potential hazards and all areas where workers could be vulnerable to falls. Number 2, notify the residential property owner about the smell, dust, noise, and dumpster location related to the specific roofing job. The homeowner has the right to be informed about what is going on at their house. Explain to them what will be done to their roof so there are no surprises. Finally, tell your customer what safety precautions you'll be using on site. This will make them more comfortable with you and your team and understanding of the noises of the job. Number 3, communicate any possible problems to the crew and any others working on the area. Communication is key. Remember, your entire team needs to be working together to achieve full safety. Warn them of potentially hazardous areas, including slippery surfaces or very steep inclines. Even more importantly, make sure to emphasize the danger of electrical wiring. Remind the crew never to set up a ladder near power lines, and beware of other potential conductors of electricity, such as wet tree limbs. Number 4, wear general safety equipment. Hard hats can protect your men on the ground. Long-sleeve shirts and gloves will also serve as a protective shield. They should both be worn when working on the roof or with any hot asphalt product. Number 5, make certain to set up the ladder correctly. Utilize the 3-point approach. Always have 2 feet and 1 hand or 2 hands and 1 foot on the ladder. Set up the ladder with the 4-to-1 rule. There should be 1 foot horizontal for every 4 vertical. And always tie the ladder down at the top, leaving 3 feet standing over the roof to allow stability when getting on and off the ladder. Secure the base of the ladder with either a stake or a bundle of shingles. One of the more dangerous things you'll encounter is electrical power. Metal ladders can conduct electricity. Please take precautions and set ladders up a safe distance from any power lines or electrical conduit. If leaving the worksite, make sure to anchor the ladder so that it cannot hurt pedestrians or the homeowner while you are away from the work area. It is simply best to take them down overnight. Number 6, use proper material handling techniques. A major cause of physical strains is improper lifting and handling technique. Improper handling of the material can cause serious damage over time. Always lift with your legs, not your back. Avoid bending the bundles over your shoulder when carrying them. Remember, when lifting shingles or other material, bend with your knees, keep your head up, and your back straight. To make the job of transporting even easier, always store materials close to the roof. Not only does this eradicate the potential for straining muscles, but it also saves time for your workers. Number 7. Last, consider the potential injuries that could befall your crew if you do not pay attention to fall protection regulations. Always follow local code and OSHA regulations regarding fall protection and the use of safety harnesses while working on a roof. The Pro Field Guide has additional safety tips on working around electricity or handling nail guns. Make sure your team is familiar with these safety rules in addition to all other rules and regulations associated with all the equipment on the job site. For more safety training, please contact your GAF representative or CARE.
The Pro Field Guide has additional safety tips on working around electricity and handling nail guns. Make sure your team is familiar with these safety rules in addition to all other rules and regulations associated with the equipment on the job site. For more safety training, please contact your GAF representative or CARE.